Hey everyone! So yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to design professional slides in Google Slides step by step. Whether it's for work, school, or a client presentation, creating visually appealing and organized slides is key. This full guide for 2026 will take you from a blank canvas to polished professional slides. First, go to slides.google.com and log in with your Google account. Choose a professional template from the gallery or start with a blank slide if you prefer full customization. Templates are helpful to maintain consistency and save time. Next, set up your theme and color palette. Go to Slide, Edit Theme, pick fonts, colors, and backgrounds that match your brand or style. Consistent colors and fonts instantly make your slides look professional. Add slides using the plus button or layout options. Organize slides logically, introduction, main content, visuals, and conclusion. Well-structured slides make your presentation flow smoothly. Add clear text, charts, graphs, images, icons, and videos to make slides engaging. Visual elements help explain your points effectively. Use consistent fonts, sizes, and alignment throughout your slides. Apply bold and highlight for emphasis, but keep it clean. This improves readability and professionalism. Add subtle transitions and animations via slide. Transition, choose effect, apply to all or selected slides. Keep it smooth and professional. Google Slides allows real-time collaboration. Click, share arrow, add team members, arrow, set permissions. Viewer, commenter, or editor. This is great for team projects or client feedback. When ready, click Present to view slides in full screen mode. You can also download as PDF, PPTX, or share a link directly. This ensures your professional presentation is ready for any audience. And yeah, that's how to design professional slides in Google Slides step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you make polished, impressive slides like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.